Wind warning. Issued at Monday 4:48 a.m. January 13, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring.
What?
Winds gusting to 90 kilometers per hour.
When? Today.
Where? Kluane Lake and Haines Junction. Additional information. A frontal system moving through the Yukon is giving very strong winds to the area. Gusts may reach near 90 kilometers per hour for the remainder of the afternoon. The winds will subside below warning criteria early this evening, but conditions will remain blustery through tonight. ####. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. Utility outages may occur. Motorists, especially in high-profile vehicles, may expect hazardous driving conditions on highways subject to strong crosswinds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to whitestorm@ec.gc.ca or tweet reports using #YTStorm.